Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make collard greens with smoked ham hocks, only way. Begin by washing and trimming collards, then chop into bite-sized ribbons. Brown smoked ham hocks briefly to awaken flavor, then sweat aromatics like onion and garlic. Add ham hocks, greens, and enough water or stock to cover, simmering slowly until greens are tender and the broth is richly flavored and balanced. Begin with simple mise en place, so cooking flows smoothly and nothing is forgotten. Prep collards by trimming stems and slicing leaves uniformly to ensure even cooking. Brown the ham hocks to render fat and deepen flavor, then sauté onion and garlic until fragrant. Add collards and liquid to just cover, season lightly, and simmer gently until greens are tender and the broth concentrates into a savory, balanced finish. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to keep great recipes coming. That helps a lot. Quick recommendation. For tidy kitchens after cooking, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control, which scoops up crumbs and keeps floors spotless without fuss. It's a handy kitchen sidekick that saves time on cleanup so you can focus on flavor. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on low and slow cooking to coax maximum flavor from smoked ham hocks and collards. After browning, add aromatics and liquid, bring to a gentle simmer and cover to trap steam for even tenderness. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and skim any excess fat if desired. Near the end, add a splash of vinegar to lift flavors and taste for salt, adjusting gradually until the broth and greens sing together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.